What's the meaning of aging? Aging. 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 Aging refers to the process of getting older, which is a natural biological phenomenon that affects all living organisms as humans age. There are several changes that occur in their physical, mental, and emotional well-being. These changes can include wrinkles, gray hair, decreased muscle mass, reduced mobility, memory loss, and a weakened immune system. Aging can also be influenced by genetic and environmental factors such as lifestyle, diet, and exposure to toxins. Ultimately, aging is a gradual process that results in a decline of overall health and vitality over time.